Hello viewers, let's install TikTok on Merit. So first go and open Play Store in your mobile and then click on search and just type TikTok or TikTok without space and it appears. So click it and after that click install. After installation, we will feed our interest so that TikTok may provide us the videos of our interest. Now click open and click allow for notification, and after that now feed your interest properly. It's up to you which interest you would like to follow. Click next, and now a guiding video is in front of you, so it means to push the video above to see another one. And after this, click on your profile so TikTok may properly recognize you and feed you the exact videos you want. Phone number, Facebook, or Google ID, it's up to you which you would like to provide. And click allow to access your contacts. And now enjoy your new app of TikTok. Thanks for watching.